how to update your data. In order to manage and update your data on the system, just click on the Manage Account tab on the dashboard. From here, you'll be able to review all of the information we have about you, your organization, and the contact person that you've nominated. You'll also be able to see your organization ID that you can give to vendors who want to connect to you using their school connection process in their Add Languages and School Connections system on their dashboard. Further, you'll have the ability to change your account email address and password, though you will have to verify those when you update that information. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the reporting information that you have provided to us that shows up in the course and on the certificates of completion for your school. You can update this information here. So I'll change Malcolm Lee to, say, Michelle Smith, and maybe I'll change the email address here to michelle.smith@childsafeguarding.com. As soon as you update this information, just press Update, and then the information is updated on your display here in the Manage Accounts tab of the dashboard. All of this information is updated. It is also immediately updated in the course and on the certificate. So everybody who takes the course from this point forward will get your updated reporting information, and every certificate that's printed from this point forward will get the updated reporting information. Even if people come back and reprint their certificate from your organization, they will get the updated reporting information rather than the reporting information that was available when they first took the course.